Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Friday and Sunday is Pink Day and I'm super excited because I get to wear pink from head to toe. If you didn't know, pink is my third favorite color. Anyway, since it's Pink Day and I love reading books like joke books, science book to help me with my knowledge, diary entries like Dork Diaries, Diary of the Wimpy Kid, and also Arabic books. But the problem is sometimes I lose which page I'm in, so I like to use a bookmark. And I was thinking maybe I should do a Pink Day inspired bookmark. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So let's get on with the video. The first Breast Cancer Awareness Day bookmark that I'm going to be showing you how to make is this one. This one's super cute, easy, and simple to make. So let's show you how to make. All you're going to need for this is some glue, a pink marker, some pink ribbon, a paintbrush, and some pink paper. So let's get the first thing you're going to want to do is to fold your paper in half. You can choose how big you want your bookmark to be. Next, you're going to want to unfold it, grab your paintbrush, and you're going to want to grab some glue and add some on one half of the paper. Now I'm just going to spread it out. Grab your ribbon and place it down. So, then fold your paper in half. Make sure to cap your glue so it does not dry. Of course, you can shape your bookmark however you'd like. Now it's time to make the breast cancer awareness sign at the corner of your bookmark. I'm just going to draw it right over here. There we have it, our first bookmark done. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make a similar breast cancer bookmark like this one. What you need to make. For the next one, all you're going to need is a pink marker, white cardstock in a long rectangular shape, a hole puncher, and some yarn. So let's do that. The first step is to punch some holes on your cardstock. So let's move these two things aside. And here's mine. You can add as many holes as you'd like. I'm going to keep adding some. Alright, let's get on to the next step. The next step is to grab your pink marker and outline your circles. So let's do it. I outlined all of the circles. Now I'm going to be making some breast cancer signs, so let's do that. There we have our breast cancer sign. So everyone, the next step is to grab some yarn and place it to the hole in the very middle on the top. So let's cut some yarn. Ta-da! that's how it looks. Now let's get on to for the next one. I'm going to be showing you how to make one similar to this. So all you're going to need is, again, some cardstock in a long rectangular shape like this or like the other square. You're also going to need a small strip of ribbon, a pink marker, a hole puncher, and a pencil. Oh, you like this decorated jar that I made for my room? Well, if you want to see how to make it, go ahead and check out my jar room decor video. Now it's time to make it. First thing is we're going to be drawing a bunch of breast cancer signs, however you'd like the pattern to be, or just randomly. I like each and every breast cancer sign, so now I'm going to go over it with a pink marker. So let's do it. Alright, now I'm done outlining each and every one. So now it's time to punch a hole at the very top. Pull nice and firmly. And there we have it. Now it's time to do our last bookmark. So for the next one, all you're gonna need is your hole puncher, scissors, some cardstock in a long rectangular shape, balloons, water balloons that are deflated, a pink marker, some glue, and yarn. This is also a way to recycle any balloons that are now deflated. So let's start. I'm done cutting them. Now we're gonna throw away the bottom pieces. Bye-bye. There we go. Now it's time to punch a hole in our cardstock. Again, we're gonna do it on the top, in the middle. Mine, I accidentally did a little bit to the side, but of course, that's fine. Now it's time to glue our balloons onto our cardstock, something like that. So I'm gonna do that and come back. Alright, I'm done sticking the balloons. Look how cool it is. Now we're going to be cutting some yarn. And there we have it, our balloon breast cancer bookmark. And that's the last one, so let's get on to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just like how I enjoyed making this video. Well, if you did, make sure to please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Turn on those post notifications and follow me on Instagram at Sarah the Little Baker. Bye! See you next time!